Hi guys, good night. How are you?
Good night, sir. For you,
All right.
your happiness.
Tired? Never mind. Don't worry about it. This too shall pass. Um, Remind me, please. We're still on to the binomial, right?
We were doing the expansion and I say call it.
Right. And then what I looked at was an example where I give a 1.002.
Yeah.
Right. All right. Good. Um, all right. So I need to have a conversation with you guys tonight about our classes going forward because I have some questions for you. I have some questions for you that I'm going to be projecting. Tonight is going to be a work night. I am not going to be teaching or talking. You guys are going to be working and then we look at the solution. Um, Let me just share my screen and then I'm going to have a conversation with you going forward because of what happened. Something happened um, in some other classes and I want to put you guys on and I'll keep you guys abreast as to the way forward. Now, I know that there is something that is called AI. I know that there is I know that there are math solvers on the internet. I'm a math teacher, so I know all of those things. I was saying to my Calculus 1 class earlier that there is a software that is used by me to detect plagiarism in my math work. And as you prepare yourself for the mid-semester, I would just want to caution you that if you have plans to be using these math solvers, so that you can shut up the something, you do so at your own peril. Because if you are found to be cheating, plagiarizing on my exam, you are going to get a glorified 0. 0. Now, I don't have a problem if you're using the AI to check your answers. But I have a problem when it is that you're going to be using the AI to present the work to me and expect to get full credit. That not gonna work. You know what is not going to work either? If you're in class and I'm giving you questions like this here now, or these, and you're going to go to AI to get the answer and say, sir, I finished all of them. It's not doing you any good. You know why? Your exam is going to be face-to-face. There's going to be no AI to assist you with the solution to the given question. So if I were you, I will sit and try to understand the processes in solving these questions. Matter of fact, those who decide when I run my paper, and incidentally, your other papers are run through a plagiarizing software as well. And if you have more than, I think it's 15% the college uses similarity index, you would have plagiarized. You fail the course right there and then, not even given an opportunity to do the final paper. So I say this to say to you, put you on warning again. And for those of you who are hearing it for the first time, as we prepare ourselves for the mid-semester exam. If you want to go and use AI, that is to your peril, you know, because every one of those papers are going to be running. And that's why you're going to be sending me those papers electronically. And those papers I'm going to be running through my detection software. Anybody at all that is found guilty, you are going to be getting a 0. 0. So with that said, am I understood? Are there any difficulties with what I just said? Any questions you need to ask? I think so. So you have 6 questions. Matter of fact, before I do that, did anyone relook at that question I gave, the 1.002 raised to the, what power? Was it the 3rd power?
5th power.
To the 5th power. Were you able to do it and get an answer? I said that I wanted 6 decimal places.
Yes, sir.
Right, good job. And then now, how did you check your answer, OJ?
How did I check it?
Yeah, to know if you're right.
I didn't check. No, I didn't check it. I just worked
So
it.
do me a favor now then, OJ. Open a parenthesis on your calculator. Then you put your 1.002, close your parenthesis and raise it to the 5th power and press equal and tell me what you get. Well, look to see if the answer you get on your calculator corresponds with the answer you got when you did it manually.
Oh, yes, sir. It's the same answer.
All right. Congratulations, sir. The rest of you, how you stay?
Sir, or you check it on the calculator?
Open a parenthesis.
Sir, which of the keys to which of the keys to?
The bracket. Yeah. Me just want some bright, so I say parentheses.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Say open the bracket.
Yes.
Press 1.002. I think that's the question I gave you. 1.002. Then we can close the bracket.
Yes.
And then we're going to raise it to, was it the 5th power? Remind me.
Yeah, 5th power.
Yeah, raise it to the 5th power and then press equal and tell me what to get. Well, don't tell me what to get. Just check to see if your answer is correct.
It's the error.
Your calculator not good.
I'm the Casio.
Sir, where you see?
I mean,
No, man, you have a good type calculator. All right.
no, but me Casio give me an answer. I don't know what she.
Clear the calculator for me, please, Ramsey.
The power part is the
Upside down V. You have to use the upside down V. Here, man.
That she never do.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Sir, repeat the figure.
Repeat the algorithm.
Yes.
Open your bracket. Make sure your calculator clear, right? When you open your bracket, you're going to press 1.002.
Yes, I get the answer, sir.
Good job.
You know.
1.002 fell. And then again, close the bracket now fell. Then in order to get the square, if you have the foot type calculator, you see the upside down V.
Upside
right.
V.
And then press 5. And then press equal.
Sir, I'm not seeing that.
So I'm gonna get 0. I'm gonna get the 0 and get 1.0.
What calculator? All right. So several of you talking to me. Well, let me finish off with you. Did you get the answer, the same answer you got when you did it manually?
Sir, I'm not doing question. I'm not even know about the question.
What do you mean? So you need in a class last night?
Yes, but I don't see that question there.
So come off from a call. I'm gonna do the question. Sure. The question is similar to the one in question number 5. But I gave you 1.002 to the 5th power, and I asked you to give me 6 decimal places. And you have to use binomials in order to work it. You have to use binomials in order to work it. All right. Press pause for you, Phil. Who else was coming in? Somebody said they didn't get it?
Yes, sir. Which part you find the power?
Pop, die down V, Taffy. And
what is the answer?
And then press 5. Upside down.
What is the answer?
We don't know the answer.
Sure.
You supposed to do the
My calculator.
So when my
One-
question have upside down V.
Oh, no, Taffy. Which one you have? The 300 ES?
Casio.
Oh, she have the Chinese.
115, yes.
Oh, no.
Casio with a K. It's out.
No,
No,
you're out of
Casio
order.
with a
Talk to her
C.
nice. No. CC, you're out of order. Talk to her nice. She have a good time calculator talking about.
Sir, me never
Alright,
hear
Taffy.
him. Me never
Alright,
hear him.
no,
Someone
we
ask
don't
that.
want to hear him. No, we don't want to hear him. Not hear him. All right, Taffy. So your calculator not we have the upside down V. Your calculator we have
Look
something with a
box.
box, with an open box.
Shaded and one shaded.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. You have the good
And
type
then press
calculator.
5.
And then press 5. And then the 5 can come in and look a box. You see it?
No.
So is it 0.2004 that?
No. Ask the classmate. OJ, where you get for the answer?
It's 1.010004.
We do it wrong then.
Okay, so that me get, sir.
That me get OJ. That
So
me
you
get
say open bracket 1.002 close bracket.
Raise
And
to
then
the
again,
fifth power.
raise to the 5th power. But you're one,
Yeah,
you're not
raise
raising
to
the
the
ups. Yeah, and then you press equal and you press answer. Your calculator will have answer ANS. Press the ANS until we get.
Yeah, that come up. I'm gonna do it over. Open bracket 0.1.
Alright, just
Open bracket
0.1 or 1.01.
Oh, me I did something wrong. Open
No,
bracket.
that's the answer, Felicia. She's doing the question itself first. Hold on.
Alright, hold on. Open bracket what?
1.002
0.002 close bracket.
close bracket raised to the fifth power.
Alright, so open open that. Raise to the 5th power.
Yeah, hold on, you did close the bracket before you put the fifth power?
Yeah, I close the bracket and then I go. Is it 5th?
You can
May I
come
hear
to
6? May I hear 6 and may I hear 5th?
5 mango, 5.
Alright, 5 equal. May I get the same thing? So I don't know.
All right. When you press your power button, and what comes up? You see there's something went into the superscript when you press the power button.
I see like a back and front L and then the 5 behind it.
Back and front L?
yeah, that's all.
Yeah, it's like a L that turned the other way and then 5.
That's all.
When I press the shade, and
It's on Chinese.
Yeah.
I'm sick. I'm sick.
No, the calculator sound Chinese.
They got these on Chinese.
But I laugh, you know.
Sherry, leave it alone, please.
I will.
Sure. Phil, I don't understand why you don't get it.
Sir, me type in exactly what you say. Open bracket,
No,
1
if you
point.
type in exactly what I say. All right, hold on, Phil. Hold on. The rest of you, since you verify the answer, can you start, please? Don't listen to me, Phil. I'm not Phil. Sorry, Tiffany.
Hello?
Phil, you got the answer right, Phil?
Sir, me gonna use my phone. You see if
No phone. You know, we have the phone in the exam. Come, Taffy. Come, Taffy. Let's go again. Do me a favor. Turn the calculator off and turn it on for me, please. Yeah? No?
It want flash.
Sorry, if you're not seeing the upside down view, what you said to use?
The other side, the
All right. Who asked that question a while ago?
Casio. My calculator is Casio as well.
Yeah, man, but you have to tell me the brand. Casio, I mean the type. Casio what?
that K.
ES or 300 ES?
Not seeing that, FX A2 ES Plus.
Okay, ES plus. All right. So the ES plus is going to be upside down V.
I'm not seeing that on it.
The ES plus has an upside down V. You're not seeing an upside down V?
No, sir.
Are you seeing Y to the X? or x to the y?
No, I'm seeing x to 2, x to the look a box, x to -1, x to 3.
You don't say x to the y or x to the n? It must have on it.
I'm not seeing it.
Look, man, look, all right. Don't look at the race key. Look at the submerged key and see if you see the x to the y on it, on the submerged key.
Yes, I will buy downtown.
Okay. Sorry, we're not seeing that.
You see.
So a shaded
take a
area by the X.
Take a picture and put it in the chat, Casey, please.
All right.
And any of my find it, you know, is a 6-pack beer me want. So make sure you look first before you put it in there, because it will cost you. Look at it. Just send a pic of it. Taffy, you're not talking to me. You figure it out, no, Taff?
No, sir. The owner just do now, though. When I forget to.
No, man. No. Come. Read the. Are you seeing an x squared key on your calculator?
Yes, I say X square.
And then what is it to the right of the x squared key?
Like an X and a look at square box, like.
Yeah, man. And that the box if you touch. And that one the more you touch, the x to the
Sorry,
box.
I said
That's
to me,
what
do
I
something wrong.
I have that on my calculator, you never say.
No, cause true him
How
say,
old is that?
true him say with the shade box, I have a shade box with the shade, the top
All right,
shade
so
and the
the
bottom
answer
don't
would be
shade.
1.0100.
All right, when we do it now.
That you forget my general at death, so 1.01.
But
Yeah,
hold on,
but just after I have that, you never say I eat that.
no, but Casey, but
Yeah,
all,
that is
Tracy, I have how long?
no, man, hold on, the Casey. You said that you have an 82, Casio 82, don't?
Yeah,
Yeah, the
yes.
82 them don't come with the X to the box.
Well, that's funny.
Strange. Still take a picture and send come give me now, please. I need to see that one.
Sir, talking about picture. Sir,
Right.
you don't see me email or no?
I saw it.
So,
I saw it. No, who is this, Phil?
Yes, she say more.
Yeah, man, I saw it. The first one that he said that he sent to me never came in, but it's afterwards when he resend it, I saw it. Miss link him, man. We're gonna link.
Alright.
Okay, but let me just make another general announcement, because I have been getting one or two emails. I've been getting 1 or 2 emails, and I am a little concerned. Email, was it email or WhatsApp? I can't remember if it was an email or WhatsApp, or emails or WhatsApp messages. A few students have been saying to me, sir, I come to class, I am listening what it is that you're doing, but either I can't answer a question on my own, or I hear that them confused and they don't know what to do. And, you know, I kind of feel a little sad about that, because when I come in to the place on a Tuesday, Thursday, I am sure I get a good workout in terms of presenting the information. And I'm just worried that you guys are not putting enough in the recording. The truth is, when I look at the analytics of the recordings, I recognize that the recordings are being watched. But I don't know what is happening. I don't know if it's the same person rewatching the recordings, or am I to assume that the whole class is watching it? But I'm a little concerned that some of you are saying to me that you don't understand what is happening. And what is also very sad is that you're not telling me in class that you're not understanding, so I can pivot and go through at that point in time. You choose to talk to me outside of class when I don't even know the specific area that you may be having a challenge with. So we have to improve in that regard. We can't leave a class and not understand what is presented in the class. Because by the time I'm supposed to come back to you, I'd have to reteach the whole topic. I keep saying to you, when I stop the class, as I often do, and say to you, are you understanding? People don't unmute and talk to me. People don't unmute and talk to me and say, sir, I am understanding, or sir, I'm not understanding. I don't have a problem when you email me or WhatsApp me to talk to me and say, boy, sir, I'm not getting the stuff, so forth and so on. But when you're not understanding something in class, and I pick up that message, today's what? Tuesday. I pick up that message Wednesday evening, when I'm not around my computer for argument's sake. I don't know what you're talking about. And then you have to go wait until Thursday, then you talk to me again. By Thursday coming, I want to move on. You can't move on because you're very lost. So you have to be very responsible in speaking to me upfront, speaking to me honestly, so that you are not disenfranchised. All right, I think I've said enough on that. Phil and Casey, are you all right now? Both of you good now?
So I'm a good long time in the same answer me again long time. And you know,
Okay. We're not hear you, Phil. Big up yourself and your good calculator. Casey, you send a picture, mommy, in the chat?
Yes, sir, I did.
All right, good. I'll soon look at it because I'm very interested to see how, if
Yes,
there's a
sir.
new,
Sir,
if there's a
you
new,
to
yes,
look
mommy.
at it. I sent it on WhatsApp. You in the
Okay, no
WhatsApp?
problem. No,
Oh.
oh, you sent it to WhatsApp. All right, somebody just copy it from the WhatsApp and put it in the Zoom chat for me, please. I just want to double check to see if there is an upgrade to the 82 version.
It's a plus, sir, Mark plus FX 82 series plus.
Oh, good calculator, you have goods.
Chinese man, they might get advanced, you know, sir.
Leave her alone. And Chinese man, no sell him calculator. Chinese man sell Kenko.
What do you say?
Very nice. All right, guys, come. On the mark, get set, go. I'm giving you 15 minutes to work on these questions for me. Start, please. Start. I'm muting. All right. Are we finished the questions now, guys?
No, sir.
Oh, what number you reach?
Sir, I'm at 3.
All right. Anybody else past 3?
Finishing up number 4, sir.
All right, good job. All right, continue, please. We're going to go through them. I want to go through them one by one with you. So I give you a couple more minutes, please. Then we finish. I'm going to say, sir, we finished. All right, guys, I'm giving you, it's now 7:56. I'm giving exactly 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes.
Okay, sir.
All right. Has everyone completed question 1? Is there anybody in the class that didn't do question 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, sir.
Everybody did 1, 2, and 3. Am I to get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at the solution to that question for me. Anthony, if you're in agreement. Did everybody get that?
Sir, this was for I got up to 216.
Which of them?
The same one that you're looking at. But the
Which of the
other
216?
part,
Oh,
216?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get 16. I just
27, I have 27.
there's something around this, so 13 is maybe like.
Caroline, I hear Caroline, I hear you grumbling in the background. Warm to you.
Yeah, I did it, but I made a mistake at the first one. Instead of 16, I got 19. I'm not sure if I got 19. What's saying it's everything else I got, but I didn't get the first one. I got 19 instead of 16. I did an error right there. That's the
All
one.
right.
So I'm at the error.
All right, then good job. Make the correction for me, please, my love. And the rest of you, look to see where you went wrong and make the correction for me, please. All right, can I move into the other question now?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Disagree?
I'm in agreement.
Good job, Ajay. Anybody else?
Same, sir, same.
Almost look right here.
Yes, good.
Come on. Yeah. Mine right and you're wrong, sir.
Mhm. Is there anyone in the class that has a difficulty with what it is that I have or disagreement with what it is that I have? Talk to me now.
Can go back up just a little bit, for like a quick second, please.
Sorry, Dahlia, go back up to what?
Just just go back up a quick second, and then you can come back, go back to.
To what? To what? For the first question, first solution?
Yes, sir.
You be sending this, right, sir? Irregular dissemination, eh?
Okay, so you can go back to what you're doing. Thank you.
Maybe, maybe not.
All right. Like you choose violence.
Remember, we're in the fifth power, so it's 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. We're in the fourth power, it's 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Can I move now? Hello?
Yeah, man, you can drive, sir. Drive now.
Oh, I never did number 3.
I wonder what could it be?
What could it be? I never did 3. Let us move on to 4. Why did I not do number 3? No one, I did number 3. That's the answer.
You have the
Yes,
answer,
sir.
sir, but you don't have the.
I did the workout. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
answer for number 3. Yeah.
I see you got lazy there, sir. You wouldn't get full marks for this. Number 3, I would give you.
Oh, goodness. And you're right. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 done up now. You have the answers for all, but no workout for number 3. Are there any questions relating to number 3? Question 3 was 2x to the 2x plus 3y to the third power.
Yes, sir.
1, 3, 3, 1.
Let me cancel about number 4, please. Because I end up raising it to the 3rd power instead of the 4th power.
In a case like that, unfortunately, you'll still get 0 for the question. So please make sure that you guys write off the question that was asked of you.
I have a question, sir. What?
Go right ahead.
Yeah, you get your tax, receive your tax money back.
Hold that drop in. Me not qualified. You see me not qualified.
One number 2 I stepped away.
Say it again.
And you show me number 2 I stepped away from the computer.
Well, so long you step away, you got the question 3 and 4.
Then I update, I may resolve some things and me not.
Oh, you see that work?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Wow. Oh, I know Caroline normally be at work for class time too. Hey, which from Caroline?
No, sir.
Oh, sure. Oh,
Yeah, I want to see number 4 and you finish.
yeah. Feel like I move on from 2?
Yeah, me forget. Sorry.
You screenshot it or take a picture of it?
No, me not. Me wait for him to send Corey and we get it in a group.
Okay. So you're assuming that I'm sending this one, right? I love
Tell me
you.
to say you're send.
I love you. So,
Sir, wait. Oh, you get 16, sir. Number 2.
I get 15.
16. Wait, answer. Oh, me have it right, sir. Sure.
You all need to get glasses. All right, now, so question number 5 had 1.05, 1 point what? 1.01 raised to the 5th power, correct to 5 decimal places. Anybody did that one?
What are which one, sir? Which one that was that?
Number 5.
Number 5, yes, sir.
Where you go for the answer, Ajay?
1.05101.
101. We get 1.05111. Oh, 101. So we get a one.
I'm touching the calculator.
Hey, move faster, though.
Oh, you didn't do the working out for that.
I didn't do the work. No, I didn't work up at the
I have a question for that. When I'm raising the 0.01 to the decimal places, and my calculator is giving me, raising it to the power, my calculator is giving me
exponential form.
Yeah.
So you have to know what the exponential form looks like. But if you put it says in standard form, so if they give you 0.001, it's going to be 1 times 10 to the -3. So you have to know how to convert those standard form back into decimal places.
What power did you raise it to just now?
5.
No, 3.
5 or 3?
No, sorry, 5 power to the 5th power. Sorry, my bad. To the 5th power.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, 1505.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like when I break it out into the bracket and have 1 plus 0.01. I'm raised to the fifth power when I'm working it out, like where you have in the Pascal triangle where you have 10, where you have plus 10, 1 raised to the third power, that's the first bracket, and then 0.01 raised to the second power. And when I put that in my calculator, it gives me 1 times 10 to the negative 4.
1 times 10 to the negative 4. So
Yeah,
that answer is supposed to be 0.00001.
0.0001.
Yeah. Very good. Anybody else? Can't be just Ojalo that has all the questions.
So I never get my answer, sir, and then we take it back and say, if you put a 0 there.
Yeah, the same answer, sir. I didn't have to put any brackets when I'm doing to check if it's right because mine just automatically does it.
Dalia, what were you saying?
I was saying that I got the same answer for number 5.
Okay, good. Got you.
Yeah, when I put, but when you said that we should put it in. I didn't put mine in any brackets because my calculator does that automatically.
Mhm. Is it 1.0 to the fifth power? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
All right, so my coefficients are going to be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So it's going to be 1 times 1 to the fifth plus 5 times 1
To the 4.
to the fourth times 0.01 to the first. Sorry. I paused because I want to see how I gave the question, or I gave the question as 1.01. Okay. So I'm going to erase what I have here, just to bring across a point. I'm erasing everything that I have. That's why I paused at first, because it's 1.01 to the fifth power. Now, when you're doing the binomial is going to generally be of the form, the binomial is of the form a plus b to the n. So it must have 2 terms on the inside of the parentheses for you to use a binomial function. So I'm going to let I'm going to let 1.01 to the fifth be equivalent to 1 plus 0.01. Is that the same answer? 1 plus 0.01 is the same thing as 1.01?
Yes, sir.
Now I have my A and my B. So you have to show me that move. So now I can say 1 times 1 to the fifth plus 5 times 1 to the fourth times 0.01 to the first, 1, 5, 10 times 1 to the third times 0.01 to the second plus another 10 times 1 to the second power times 0.01 to the first. No, to the third. To the third. Every time the sum of the things supposed to be equal to the overall power, plus 5 times 1 to the first times 0.01 to the fourth plus 1 times 0.01 to the fifth. That's what's going to be 1 multiplied by 1 plus 5 times 1 times 0.01 plus 10 times 1 times, 0.01 squares is what? 0.0001? Is it 3
Yes,
zeros?
sir. Yes, sir.
Plus 10 times 1 times 0.000000001. Tell me it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros there, please. No,
Supposed to be 5 zeros.
it's supposed to be 5 zeros. It's supposed to be,
Yeah.
hold on. No, hold on.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. No, I'm supposed to just lose one of the zeros. I have one extra zero. Check to see if it's 7 zeros it's supposed to have.
It says 1 times 10 to the negative 6. So would that be
5 zeros.
5 zeros, then the 1?
All right, I have a question. I mean, this one places a question. I'll actually the answer in.
5 decimal places.
Yes, sir. I agree with OJ.
Supposed to be 5 zeros.
That we just tell us, sir. Oh, I'm here.
Question. How many decimal places are supposed to leave your answer in?
5 decimal places.
Right. How many decimal places I have so far on the screen? For the last one, how many decimal places I have?
6.
So my question to you, do I need to evaluate the rest of them? So far, the question asked me to give in to 5 decimal places. But this is 6 DPs. So I've already passed the number of decimal places that they want me to evaluate, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So I don't need to necessarily show them anything else on here, so because even if I read on here, it's not going to help me my answer.
Okay, you were wrong.
Right, that's not going to help me. So what is going to happen now is that this is going to be 1 plus 0.05 plus 0.001 plus 0.34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
And that's so now again at 1 my whole number plus the next big number is 0.05. So you're going to be 1 plus, what is about plus? 1.05. Then that's going to be the 1. That's 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, then 0, 1. And that's how we evaluate questions like these without using a calculator. So they can't get a question like that.
Sir, what if the question was like the one that we got last week, which was 1.002? What if it was different from 1 and say it was like 1.003 and we're supposed to find 5 decimal places? Would it still work in like the way how you did it where you stopped at 6 decimal places? Would it still work or would need to work an extra decimal place?
It will still work. You know what? It will still work, man. You know what I thought you were going to ask me? What if I asked you to evaluate 0.987 to the 4th power? Audrey, that was for you. Remember, in our parentheses, you're supposed to have an A and a B.
Yeah, you're supposed to have 2. You can split it into 0 plus 0.987. Or you can divide the 987 by 2.
Tell me what is my A and what is my B then?
0.5 plus 0.487.
Any other suggestion?
$0.49.
No. Where you get 0.49?
Divided.
How you get that?
You divide the number in a 2.
Excuse me? It is when you find a number in a 2 for the other 2 them too. No, man. I need my A and I need my B.
So how do you get there? Oh.
What am I using to my A? What am I using to my B? You notice in the first 2 examples that I did, one last week and one today. What was my A value?
The whole number.
Ah.
So that around it.
Oh.
No,
So what do you think my whole number value is going to be? What do you think my whole number value is going to be in this case now? Or should be?
0.
No.
It can be 0. 1. I use 1.
Yeah, it has to be 1. Yeah, should have use the 1. You notice, all right, hold up. You notice, Ajay, that when I was doing the question, I don't have a calculator. I don't have a calculator open in front of me. I was actually doing the calculations from my head. They want this 1 to the 3rd power and so forth and so on. You see, if I did use a different value inside here other than 1, I have a serious challenge in evaluating those values. So we're going to use 1. We're going to use 1. We're going to use 1. What is going to be my B, therefore? What is going to be my B?
The 987.
0.087.
I need to write it down. 1.
Sir.
Would the B be a negative number?
Yeah, that's what I'm
No.
thinking. Because if you use 1, then it just minus the.
Yeah.
Right. So tell me what negative number it's supposed to be.
0.
Very good.
0.13.
0.013.
0.013. Very good. 0.013. So what I'll have, I'll rewrite this as, I'll rewrite that one as 1 minus 0.013 to the 4th power. When I subtract 0.013 from 1, what do I get?
0.987.
2. So when I'm doing the calculation now, it's because I have a 1 in my A position, the calculation will go easier. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right, finish up that question for me, please. We have 25 minutes left. And I have this last question. Matter of fact, I'm going to do how it go now. All right, so you can do this one for homework. This is homework. This is homework. Let me highlight it. That's your homework. Boy, that don't look so cute.
Yeah,
that's your
blind me.
Yeah.
So yes, I usually send the documents to them, you know.
Well, you feel so very confident about the teacher, you know.
No, the one target still in there, you know, just fall off, get the video them upload and send the work. So no what change in your life.
Nice. Look at that one for me, please, here, and tell me if you are agreeing with that last one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
good job, Jim.
I don't think I put nothing wrong on the board, but let me check it just in case. But extreme.
Let's see now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Miss D.
Sir, you mean me? This D?
Don't come back to my class and sit down in my class and don't call to me.
Sir, at crunch time, no one know me. I make sure someone taking everything. Trust me, I'm here, sir.
All right, then, cool. Make sure you understand what's going on.
Sir, I'm watching over the YouTube video, so I'm grasping so far.
All right, good job. Let's see who else is here. Miss Bailey, good night. Therese is here. Teddy is here. TT's here. Winnie, I saw that message earlier, Winnie. You need to talk. Good to see you, Harry on. B. By the way, Barrett, are you a part of the WhatsApp group? Okay, no answer. All right. So now,
Sir,
who that?
oh, Diana.
Yeah,
Sir,
what's
did
up,
you
man?
say when we have the mid-semester?
Say it again.
Did you say when we'll be getting the mid-semester?
Well, it should have been this week, but I'm mindful that you guys were locked out last week, and not many of you came to class Tuesday and Thursday last week. So I thought that I would talk to you about it today. So we can do the mid-semester on Thursday of this week, or we could do the mid-semester on Tuesday of next week.
Third Tuesday is better.
Tuesday, sir.
Sir, we have about 3 exams this week.
All right, so Tuesday is better then. All right, so next week, Tuesday, please.
All right, sir. Sir, everything from unit
Everything from scratch. Everything from scratch.
up to binomial.
Everything from scratch.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Sir, your recording from last week is on YouTube.
Yes, mate. All right. I have 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes. I want to take a break and talk to you about combination, permutation, and come on, I don't want to do this. Okay, cool. I touched a wrong button a while ago.
Sir, you
I want to
can go
talk.
back the number, I didn't get off that one.
Which one?
Number 5, the last one of the calculation, the 5th one. I was trying to follow it. Yeah, that one.
You see no Carly?
Yes, sir, see it.
Well.
So the exam next week, it's face to face. You have to go to the school.
You arrange it, but it will be online as well.
Can I arrange it for she, sir?
No, listen, you have to understand. I know some of you guys are used to this class or have done this class. This is my first time. I don't know. I'm just trying to understand. I remember hearing something about face to face. So I'm trying to understand how to work this out.
Okay.
I live in St. Thomas, so you have to figure it out.
Come on, you can make it your way down here.
Who is this in St. Thomas?
No, it's Fishabella. I work in Kingston, but I'm just trying to figure it out, sir.
Oh, no, man, you can, I wouldn't do that to you because, I mean, this class ends at 9 o'clock, you know, and I wouldn't do that to you. So we're going to do it online. But just remember, Fisher Bell, what's your first name, Fisher Bell? Jody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay. What? Just remember what I spoke to you about regarding AI. Please, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news. I really want you guys to pass the course. Because if you don't, you're going to be having a challenge for business statistics and business calculus next semester. You're going to have a challenge with both of the courses because if you don't pass this pre-calculus, you can't do either of them from next semester. And I don't want that to happen to you, so please, whatever it takes, honest work, study. All right. let us let me talk to you about some factorial notation. You will see this more in business statistics when you get there. You will see this more in business statistics when you get there. Very good. Hope you have twins. Um, so, if you look at it, you see me have combination, permutation, and factorial notations. Now, let me tell you what the combination notation is. It is NCR. 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 N factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. That's what the combination notation is. The permutation, on the other hand, is the same n factorial over n minus r factorial. I left off the factorial sign right here. Please forgive me. There's a factorial sign that's supposed to be right there. What's the difference between the combination and the permutation? I don't have a r factorial for the permutation. One of the things it is saying is combination is important. I can have 5 people and I want to form a committee of 2. So I have 5 students and I want to see how many committees I can form with the 5 students. Look at your calculators. Let me just do that to you instead of making it manually. Look at your calculators and see if you see any of the signs on it that speaks of NPR and NCR.
Yes, sir.
All right, do me a favor. I have the answer in my head already. Press 5, then NCR, and then press 2. And tell me if you get 10.
Yes, sir.
Good job. I want everybody to do that exercise. So many times I'm teaching you to use a calculator tonight.
I wonder for what reason.
Go again, sir.
5. Then you're going to select this NCR button. And then press 2 and press equal.
I'm not even sure what that is on my calculator.
Or you not see
NCR.
the NCR and the NPR?
No. I'm looking for it.
They're using.
So let me put the P, sir, me get 20. I wait to double it.
We soon come to that one. Very good. We soon come to that one. Caroline.
Yes, sir.
Look at the plus and minus sign on the right-hand side of the calculator and see if you see. It may be on the sunken button, the submerged button. It may not be on the raised button.
Not sure. This is giving me something different. My calculator is I don't know, 2-way. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Is my one is a scientific calculator, but it's a 911 E series plus. So
Casio?
That's my calculator, yeah.
Is that Casio?
No, it's not a Casio.
Is that who?
It says a 991 is SC plus.
Yeah, man. What brand calculator is it?
Huh?
What brand?
Sure, I don't even know a brand.
Do me a favor. Just take a pic of the calculator and drop it in the chat for me, please. The
Yeah.
Zoom
Yeah.
chat.
Look around my back, I see.
Yeah, look.
Wait,
The back too.
wait, it's made in China?
Made in China.
You know of any cars made in China? China making a car?
A lot of them out here now, sir.
What is the latest one that is made in China that is out here?
Which one is this guy?
Jet
Storage supplies.
And then they make BYD.
Yeah, BYD. No,
Okay.
Yeah, BYD, yeah.
Well, me and your money come together, can buy one of them there, yeah?
Nothing wrong, sir. Then can't make it for who they want.
So the point is, leave China brand alone. They make good stuff.
In the wall of China, I don't get to do last long.
So. All right. Everybody has tried that calculation?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, Kerry went ahead of us and did the NPR. I want the rest of you now to try using the same calculation, same values, but instead of selecting the C, select the P now and tell me what to get.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
my NPR is at the same place the NCR is.
Yes, one is sunken and one is raised down.
No, it's the same button.
Use the shift button to get.
You have to use the shift button to get one.
Sir,
so one of them is sunken and one of them is raised.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. What do you got for the answer? Oh, you send it? Okay.
Yeah. I know what type it is for us. Sure what
somebody copy from the WhatsApp group. Now, maybe she sent to the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, sorry.
And
yeah, somebody copy.
She put this.
Yeah, man, just take it from there and just put it in the chat, somebody, please.
It's there. It's on it over the division sign, so you have to use it.
Yeah,
Very good.
The
Very
NPR
good.
says over multiplication and division.
That's why I was asking her to look at the plus and minus sign them over that side here.
Oh.
But Caroline tired. So her eyes my failure.
Actually, yes.
All right, you see, I don't know me not see the picture coming at the chat tonight, but I never have to do it. Your classmates and find it out for you.
So which number should I go again?
5 and 2.
5 and 2. Or those two numbers?
Are we okay for so far?
Somebody explain to me again.
Press 5, then you press NCR and 2.
5.
Press 5. NCR, but I think you do shift. Press it 5.
NCR, where's the NCR button? Down?
Division.
Pilot B.
Carter, move now, man. You got it, Caroline?
No.
5, then you press shift and the division sign.
And the division sign? Oh, NCR. Oh. And then?
2.
The number 2?
That's the number. They press equal and see what the Lord has made.
I get 10.
Very good.
32. Okay. Right.
Do the
Do
next
it,
one
do it now with the P and tell me you get.
NPR. Do you see him thingy?
The P instead. 5. No, so that's all right. Give me a sense.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Can we get the phone?
That wrong, sir. I give my error.
I'm gonna press the 5 shift MPR
Multiplication, sir.
2.
NPR. Then 2. 20.
Magic. All right. So, and we don't have enough time to go through the factorial calculation, but I just want you to hear this story. What this story is telling you is I have 5 people and I'm selecting a committee and I want a 2-man committee. How many ways can I combine? How many committees can I have? Or can I form or can be formed from 5 people, from a maximum of 5 with 2 people on each team? The combination notation is telling me that I can have 10 possible teams out of that. The combination notation is telling me that I can have 10 possible teams. Here it is. See, I'm using A, B, C, D, E as my 5. This is really business stats, but I want to show you. I have A, B, C, D, E. I can have a group with AB. I can have a group with AC. I can have a group with AD. I can have a group with AE. I can have a group with BC. I can have a group with BD. I can have a group with BE. I can have a group with CD. I can have a group with CE. And then I can have a group with DE. How many that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. Where's the 5? Can you see my 10 combinations?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is my combination. All right. So I can have a group with A, B, AC, AD, AE, BC, BD, BE, CD, CE, and DE. That's a combination. For the permutation, what it is saying is that I can have a group AB, and I can also have a group BA. I can have a group AC, but I can also have a group CA. I can have a group AD, but I can have another group form and call it DA. I can have a group called AE, but I can also have another group called EA. Can you see that I will be able to double up now and get my 20?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's what X-ray is. So the combination is saying that there should be no repeats. Permutation is saying, yo, Felicia and Carrie is in a group. Combination is saying it's just Felicia and Carrie. Repeats are not allowed. But permutation is saying, yo, Felicia is going to be the leader and Carrie is going to be the deputy. And then the combination will say in another group, Carrie is the leader and Felicia is the deputy. So they have different roles in the group. So that's why the combination gives me only 10 and the permutation gives me 20 different ways because they allow repeats to take place. The combination is saying, yo, no repeats. Make sense?
Quite so. Quite so.
All right. And then now, I did say I wasn't going to do anymore, but something just come up. The factorial notation. Look at your calculators. Again, I'm teaching something new on your calculator. Look at your calculator. Look to the top left-hand corner, topmost left-handest part of the calculator.
Look at what I say.
Are you seeing N with an exclamation sign?
And with a Esco Ufa, Escovish.
Sir, I'm seeing X with that sign.
Oh, you're seeing X with the exclamation sign. Okay, same difference.
That messy.
Yeah, man, same difference. So you may see X exclamation or you may see N exclamation. All right. That is your factorial notation. That's your factorial notation. What is a factorial notation? Technically, if I ask you to evaluate 5 factorial, check to see if 5 factorial is 120, please. Just press 5 and then press that button up there and press equal and tell me what you get.
120.
Yeah, 120.
Mm-hmm.
You got 120?
120, we get Panny market.
Well, again, sir.
120.
Press 5.
Yeah.
And then press X with the exclamation button. And then press equal and you're supposed to get 120.
X with the exclamation button. Okay. And then after you press the equal. No. That's not right.
Press the shift key, sir.
Huh?
The shift key.
Okay.
To get the 120 with the X.
All right, hold on.
Oh yes, I press the shift key and get it.
All right, so let me give you.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing the calculators. So let me just
get it.
stuff. Hold up. Let me give you a general rule. If the keys are raised, you don't need to press the shift button. If the keys are raised, you don't need to press the shift button. You see, once the keys are submerged, in order for you to raise them, you have to press the shift button.
Shift button, yeah.
That's a general rule of thumb. So if you see a button that is submerged that you want to access, you have to press the shift button first. All right?
So yeah, use the big words, sir. Tell them say the key, whatever they on the button. Press
same difference.
Other one.
Yeah. Same difference. You hear me out now? How do we calculate 5 factorial manually? 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Go put that on a calculator for me, please. 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equal. Tell me what you get.
120.
Same difference, yeah. That's how we calculate factorial. I'm going to end here. We've done quite a bit of work in class tonight. I congratulate you. Most of what we did tonight was
I forgot to do it. Come analyze a minute. I know about me now. We make it confused.
Mute my lovey.
Damn it.
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm trying to run out of this building so before the alarm check off.
Yeah, man. All the best, Caroline. All right, guys. Please to study. Please to study. Once you study, you should be fine. We'll talk. 9 o'clock. We'll talk later. Have a good one.
All right, my teacher. Good.
You too, Pop.